Tú muy bonita. Papicito, ¿ah? Papicito. Mulano.
Mulano.
Sí. ¿Cuántos años? Bonita chicas en Bonao. Muy linda, muy flaca. ¿Todo bien? Muy tímida.
La mami ahora. Me gusta la mami, ¿sí?
Mami sota. Pero hombres, solo mami para mí, ¿ah? What up, what up? It's your boy Malone back at it again with another video. We walking around town in Bonao and showing y'all what it looks like during the daytime. See what it's looking like. It's Saturday. Let's get it popping. Guys, we out here just showing y'all what it looks like in Bonao, in the streets of Bonao. These cars be coming through like almost like Santo Domingo. And I'm feeling single. Gotta watch out for the motos, guy. Gotta watch out for the motos. Walking through the streets of good old Bonao, guys. As you see, a chica is working on her makeup. No necesita, tú muy bonita, tú es mamazota. ¿Sí o no? ¿Dónde, tienes un novio o esposo? ¿Nada? Tú muy bonita. ¿Por qué hombre es muy malo contigo, ah? ¿No quieres hombre? ¿Quieres mujeres? Solo Jesús.
Hombre, pero es bueno la libertad.
Sí, pero necesito, estoy en tu vida. Necesito bueno hombre en tu vida. Necesita. ¿Cuántos años? Tienes ni una cara. ¿Cuántos años?
34.
Oh, 24. Oh, tú muy bonita. Tú es muy peligroso, la oscura. Es muy modo es muy peligroso. Oh, ok.
¿No has montado eso?
Sí, pero yo tengo, pero no en tu cabeza, no gara. Jesús, necesito practicarte a mi novia, mi nueva novia. Tú muy bonita. Mira, mira, Jesús para ti. Mira.
¿Tú solo grabas?
¿Qué?
¿Tú solo grabas?
Sí, graba. Estoy YouTube.
¿Tú eres youtuber?
Sí, influencer, trabajando.
Oh.
Necesito buena esposa o novia en mi vida, prima. Cuando grande en YouTube, solo para ti. Papicito, ¿ah? Papicito. The banco. Guys, you come here, do the ATM. And chicas, mujeres bonitas. ¿Ah? Hey, Jesús para ti, ¿ah? Tú muy peligroso, ¿ah? Yeah, guys, I love messing with the little Dominican women. They're funny. But yeah, guys, I'm showing y'all what it's like in these streets. Y'all go to that bank. I personally don't go to that bank because, you know, I mess with, I go to Scotia. But, you know, if that's the only thing you got, then we got to make it hot. The original travel vloggers in town, y'all already know how it's going down. Bringing this content to y'all. I got that fire, I got that fire. Holla at a player. I'm back at it again, coming out of retirement, that is. You see them girls and them boys on them toys, and they making some noise. Okay, guys, this is like the downtown area. You know what I mean? This is the store. And you could go and get some stuff, little knickknacks right here and stuff, so it's all good. Let me try to talk to these girls. Hold on a second. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. ¿Tu hermana, ah?
Mi hija.
Oh, tú
Sí.
muy bonita, similar.
Sí.
Sí, sí. Mira, moro, eso es para ti porque es muy peligroso.
No tengo dinero para comprar.
Oh, sí. Dice, sí. No tengo.
¿Cómo te llamas en redes?
¿Qué?
Tus redes, tus redes.
¿Tú ready? Mulano.
Mulano.
Sí. ¿Cuántos años?
18.
18. Ah, muy... No, Nina.
Sí.
¿Cuántos años?
37.
Oh, me gusta. Tú,
En
Nina.
YouTube.
¿Por qué no tienes internet? ¿Por qué no tienes internet?
Porque no estoy en mi casa.
Muy tacaña.
No my house. No my
Sí,
house.
sí. You speak English.
Poquito.
Oh, okay. You are linda, cute.
Gracias.
I would like you, but you are so young. Maybe I like your mom. Plus, tu madre mucho carne. Me gusta carne. Me gusta carne. Oh, mucho carne. Oh my God. ¿Tú quieres steppadre? I'd be a stepfather. You know, ¿Tienes un novio o esposo? Necesito mí en tu vida. ¿Tú cocinas pretty good? You cook good?
¿Es verdad?
¿Sí? ¿Tú cocinas?
Sí, claro.
Me gusta.
Bueno.
Necesito tu número. Bonitas chicas en Bonao. Muy linda, muy flaca. Todo bien. Muy tímida.
La mami ahora. Me gusta la mami.
Mami sota. Pero hombres, solo mami para mí. Necesito mujeres cocina bueno para mí. Me encanta moro. Me encanta moro.
¿De qué?
Sí.
Mandule.
Mendule, sí. ¿Tienes un novio?
No.
Porque muchos dominicanos muy egos, ¿ah?
Me gustan de Estados Unidos.
¿Ni
Sí.
te olvidas?
No, mentira.
No. Ok, yo voy.
Bye.
Ahí. Guys, we're out here in the park. People walk. Hola, ¿cómo estás? People be walking out here, chilling, relaxing. It's a good park in Bonao. Guys, you already see where the park is located. The Optical, the Nuno Pizza. I never tried this pizza, but a lot of pizza in Dominican Republic is pretty good. Y'all get y'all glasses taken care of. You want to, I'm sorry, not glasses, piercing and stuff. And then you get the glasses right here. Sorry, I'm doing many things. And then there's some good fried chicken here, guys. I'm gonna stay away from fried chicken today. I might indulge in some pizza. I know that's worse, but yeah, Dominican Republic has some good pizza and good food out here, guys. One meal a day, that's all I'm eating. All right, maybe 2 meals a day, I'm lying. But hey, guys, I'm trying. You know what I mean? That's one thing that's the most important is I'm trying, guys. But y'all see the scenery, you know, the fried chicken area. You come here, get some fried chicken. The park where you see the people just relaxing, chilling. Saturdays and Sundays is usually when you see a lot of people out, guys. I'm gonna try tomorrow to go to to what they call Rio or the river with a girl and try to get some footage out there. Even though I know some of you guys don't want to see that, it don't matter. It's something different, you know. A lot of people, they don't have money to do a lot of people. Ocho más. Ocho más. Yeah, a lot of people, they don't have money to get a car, so they'll do bikes or the motos. ¿Dónde?
¿Para dónde va para allá?
Pizza, comida.
Hay una pizzería, papi.
Sí, no me gusta, hola.
Aquella.
Sí. Mala, chica mala. No, chica mala. ¿Tú mala o buena chica?
Buena.
I think the mom's stalking me, guys. I think she's trying to sink her teeth into me. And I might just let her, guys. I might just let her. It's your boy Milano. We outside with it. Y'all see the super pharmacia. Get some stuff out here, guys. You know. But yeah, we outside with it. They got Payless too, guys. Payless. All right. But yeah, this is like a big it's like a big lots. These are like, this is like big lots right here. Little knickknack stuff you can get. Not the knickknacks I was talking about, like food and stuff. I mean, a lot of this stuff is like items for your house and stuff, your apartment. They got electronics in here. What's the name of this? Oh, this is Anna Cell. I think this is for the electronics. And then right here, y'all see right there, Multi-Central Futuro. You can get your little stuff from there. And then you got the food and everything. People selling, what's it called? Empanadas and all that good stuff. So, you know, this is the central, you know, just make sure you don't get hit by the motos and knock off your mental. Ooh, freestyle here, guys. But a lot of the Chinese people run this right here. So you're gonna get them for the cheapskate Jake price. Showing y'all right now. Let me show y'all, let me get a good glimpse out of this. Right, Multi-Central Futuro. You see the hours, guys. 8:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Come in here, get some stuff. I think deodorant, clothes, little stuff. I even seen they had pets in there. They had cats and dogs, for Christ's sakes. I'm not even gonna touch on that, guys. I just know they were in the cage. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna let y'all decide. You know what I mean? Guys, I showed you around the neighborhood. It's your boy Bonao back yet again, showing y'all what it's like in Bonao, DR. You know what I mean? And yeah, we outside with it, baby. We outside. Bonao, how do you like me now? Ow!